All right, thinking about a security fence? Let's break down everything you need to know.
First things first, right? You've got to understand where your property is most vulnerable.
Because that's the whole mission, to stop trouble before it even has a chance to start.
Okay, so where do you even begin? Let's dive into some of your main options.
If you need maximum fortress-like protection, Palisade Fencing is absolutely the way to go.
Now, tubular steel is super popular. It's that perfect blend of tough security and modern style.
Then there's Colorbond. It's known for being incredibly durable and resisting pretty much any weather.
Chain link is your classic practical choice, especially for big properties where you need clear sightlines.
And for a premium look, you've got aluminum. It's secure, but doesn't sacrifice that curb appeal.
Okay, this chart is awesome. It breaks down all the options side by side for you.
But, style isn't everything. The material is what really gives it strength.
So you see, each one has its pros, depending on your budget and what you really need.
All right, you've picked a fence. So what happens next? Let's talk about the installation process.
It's actually a really straightforward 4-step process, designed to get the job done right.
And getting it done professionally means it meets strict safety standards. That's super important.
So, what's the big payoff? Well, it's way more than just a barrier, that's for sure.
You're not just getting security. You get privacy, a higher property value, and peace of mind.
This really says it all. A good fence protects your home and makes it look great. So at the end of the day, the right fence is the one that lets you feel truly safe.